Yeah. That's better.
You could probably see the one from Hudson Oaks from the car.
Yeah, maybe.
If he was right there on by 20.
What, baby? Oh, thank you. Oh, pretty. What, baby? We're gonna get in there. Hold on, we're going to bye-bye. Yes, bye-bye. They're done, Maddie. When they're done, we're leaving. Whoa. Oh, Brandon's recording.
Maybe.
Hold on, wait till he's done.
You see it there? Hold on.
Here.
Hold on.
Here, I got a phone for you, Maddie. I got a game for you to play. You know you gonna watch fireworks?
Oh, look, there's big ones.
Look, Maddie, look.
Hold on. Hold on. Here, you want to see? Here. Is that better?
I wonder who pays for these.
I'm missing the city.
Yeah.
What, baby? Your pants.
Hey, Maddie, you still on left.
She's not touching you. She's fine. She's not doing nothing. Okay. Whoa.
Oh, I'm getting tired.
Look how pretty they are. What, baby? We're gonna go back to the Look, they make noise. Ava, look, they make noise. Woo! Say boom, 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 boom. Oh, Lord, Ava.
Hey, Ava.
Is that funny?
And it's been 3 minutes and 13 seconds.
Not since you started recording, not since they started.
What?
Oh, man.
That's Ava. Hey, Ava. Hey, Maddie.
Oh, that was a big one.
Yes, it was.
That's a big one. Maddie, you like the big ones? It's not heavy.
It's light.
Maddie, no, you're heavy. Oh my God.
Maddie, come here. Come over here. Come sit. Maddie, come here. Come sit with Daddy.
Well, we're about to put sister in there because we're about to leave. Oh, look at those. Look at those.
Ava, come here. Come here, Ava.
Look,
Come
Ava.
here. Ava, come here.
It's heavy. I know Maddie's heavy.
Tequila.
Tequila.
That does not look like. Nothing.
What?
dancing way so hard. Oh Lord. I can't either. Oh look, it's raining. It's raining fireworks.
Here, I help you.
Oh, look at that. Look at those cool things.
Gotta go backwards. Gotta go backwards.
Oh, my foot.
You gonna sit right here? You come here.
Here, sit.
Look,
Here.
look, 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 look.
Oh, that's better. How long does this last?
She's tired.
I know. No, I'm asking how long does this last.
Oh, I don't know. I think so.
I've been recording for 5 minutes.
We don't have more than that.
What does she want?
It's empty. Drink it all. It's empty. Hey, none of that.
Hey, Maddie, what's in my lap?
She wants to sit in the stroller.
Here, I put my foot's away.
Cheese, Ava. Look, Maddie.
Look, baby, look. Watch this.
Oh, look, look, look,
Watch this.
look.
Ready? Look, look, look. Look, look. Look.
Oh, my leg.
Turn on your flashlight for her. You like that?
Alright. That count.
Not you. Sit down.
Now hold it.
I told you to turn the flashlight on for her.
Look, Ava.
Maddie, don't pull that.
No, Maddie, no.
That's something you don't need to touch.
Say hi.
Hey, Maddie, what's in my lap?
Ready? You ready?
Alright, I'm ready to get up. My butt
Got your
hurts.
picture. Cheese.
My butt hurts.
Here, Maddie.
There's a lot of people behind me. Hold on. Okay, you ready to go bye-bye? Okay, Brittany, hold still. Okay, guys. Come on.
Come here, Ava.
Ava, get in the stroller.
Let's get in the stroller.